Oh shoot. Think we beat the market this morning. Hey, I'm here before market open. All right. Let's come in. Let's start out with put the SPY over here to the left and have here, let's start like Palantir over here or something. Oh, hold up. Go down to like start the day out on a 10. And yeah, let's throw Palantir over here. Go down to like a 10. Maybe a 5. Oh, so market just open. We're rejecting kind of hard at open. See Palantir. Let's go to a 5 on the SPY. All right, so looking kind of at pre-market levels, our range, here, let's go actually to like a 15. So our range for now, if we're gonna look at it, kind of have support there. We'll throw resistance up there. Set my alerts for those real quick. Randy Reese, good morning. Lex, good morning. Mahishu, good morning. Yeah, just trying to see what we got going real fast. Let's turn on the EMAs. Yeah, we'll start the day off on a 5. Yeah, we're still cross to the upside. T-Bird, wonderful Wednesday. A wonderful Wednesday it is. I think I had support on Palantir being about 41.30. So here, we'll call it support right here. So yeah, I'm going to watch these for now today. Throwing the volume on that too. See if we get some sort of early break on Palantir. That could be interesting put. Hey, Speed Mula, what's good? Hey, life is good. Happy to have you on stream, family. Rick Perez, good morning. Good green morning. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's get it. All right, so I got an alert from NVIDIA. Let's see what's going on in NVIDIA. Oh, so we got NVIDIA crossing the trend line. NVIDIA might be go for a short too. Let me zoom out. Yeah, we might be go for a short on NVIDIA. I want to kind of just give it a moment. Philip, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I just want to give NVIDIA a moment to see if this is actually something I would want to short. And so, Tesla is selling off. Market's all over the place the first few minutes. So AMD, it looks like AMD may have fallen below where at. No, we're still good. AMD is still good. So going back to NVIDIA, Tesla should go up today. Yeah, we'll see. I know they have their event tomorrow. I'll actually have to check the options, do the options analysis on Tesla. That's something I was wanting to do. See what it's looking like coming into it. So yeah, I'm going to check Tesla out right now. SMCI. Let's see what price it's at right now. Sure, it's doing something wild. Where's it at? Okay, good little shoot up. See SMCI. Oh, you can't hear me. Can ever? Good morning, Jessica B. Can y'all hear me? Okay. All right. So, all right. It looks like we might. Let me see how much options are on Nvidia, and that's a good break right there. See how much of a quick short on Nvidia is. Yeah, I might go for a quick 129 put on Nvidia. Yeah, I went for one. See if we get some volume. This one would be a quickie though. So I paid 81 for a 129 put. Think we got in about right there. Might have got in too early. Let me see. All right, so by the rumors of the news. Okay, I'm glad y'all can hear me. All right, let me continue to. Yeah, so may have jumped the gun on that Nvidia. I would actually move that up there though. We did break the trend line though. So I'm gonna see if we can ride that Nvidia. I may still go for something else, but that's something I'm in for now. Azure, good morning, good morning. Yeah, AMD selling off too. I got the alert on AMD. Okay, Nvidia's continuing to sell off. I didn't exactly do this the most responsibly. See where I can actually go back to the 1 hour. Let's see if we can get below this kind of 131.50 kind of level. And then below that, it would be looking at like 130. What target did I get again? I got a 129 put. So it's up $10. So yeah, I'll watch that for now. See how the momentum really kind of moves on this. It's up $14, 17%. Smooth Vic, hey, happy to see you on the stream. Hey, my man Vic made it to the stream. That's what's up. All right, so yeah, we're moving down on this Nvidia put. It's not bad. See if we can continue progress. All right, still moving on. See if we can. Hey, honestly, I'm gonna just lock in profits. I'm gonna take a quick win on that. That's already a quick 25%. You see. No, I didn't lock it in yet. Hold up. Let's. See, we got the volume down here still moving. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and lock it in right here. All right, so yeah, that was a quick 28%. I'm not trying to be too greedy. I'm kind of like chilling with the movement. So yeah, rode that from like there to there. Appreciate you, Philip. All right, so still have a little bit for trade today. Oh dang, I'm over here looking at my account, wondering why I'm not up as much as I should have been off that trade. I forgot about that trade I took yesterday on Oxy. Let me check in on that real quick. I mean, it's not doing that bad. Angie B, good morning. Good morning. All right, so we got the SPY coming up here. I want to like focus on the SPY now a little bit. Let's see. Oh, hold up. All right, so the SPY, this trend line right here, this is the daily, I drew this on the daily. So this is a trend line for the daily, but it looks like we might be breaking. Okay. So yeah, we're breaking this level. Let's see if we can get a retest. Or let's see if we actually hold above. So now I'm liking like potentially the idea of SPY calls. I'm gonna go back to a 5-minute though. See if we actually hold above it. Get in and get out. Hey, it looks like it worked out for Nvidia because we got out like right here, almost at the top of that first move. But it looks like it might continue its trend, but I'm not tripping with that. If I see 20 right at open, especially in the first 15 minutes, I'm not tripping. Mass 3DRC. Good morning. Good morning. All right, so we're some resistance at this level. Not getting above it yet. Still have some good volume. All right, so that Nvidia trade is still going. My first target, just a heads up, was about this 30 or 131.54 level. And then I think my next target was around the $29 level. So I still want to watch it to see how it did, but it's like I saw the profit and I wanted to hold on to it. Almost time to go long on TSM with the earnings coming up. Potentially, earnings, they can be good and bad. If people like what they hear, if people don't like what they see. And like sometimes, we get into a kind of a thing whenever we get used to everyone beating earnings, and it's like if they don't beat it by as much as you expect, a lot of times it'll go down. All right, so what was I going to say? Yeah, Nvidia is still moving. I still want to see how that contract's doing. Let me see what it's worth. All right, so that put went from like $80 to it's at 121 right now. Yeah, that would have been some good money, but hey, we chilling. Probably about to hit my alert too. Let me see what AMD is doing real quick. Let's see. AMD sure broke too. Let's see where that's going. I could see AMD coming down to either about 168 or 167. I just got the alert that Nvidia hit my target though. So yeah, we hit that level of it's like a small level of support right here. The dip before the rip, or it'll be rest in peace. Yeah, something like that, honestly. All right, so we got 15 minutes into the day now, so we might have some trends kind of established here. Nvidia could be a potential like continuation on maybe a pullback. I may want some more of that. I don't know. We'll kind of see. But I would want to see it pull back first. Maybe later in the day, see the confirmation of the trend. Let me look at Oxy again. Extend this over. It's like I see it trying to move back up. But yeah, I have not been in the green on this trade very much. There's like a lot of resistance up here at this 54.36 level. So let's see if we can get above on that. Then let me come to Palantir. Have support over here. And got Nvidia buying back up a little bit. All right, check the big red candle on. Yeah, let's check out TSM. Yeah, so it looks like chips are selling off. As maybe there's some sort of event here. Let's see. Informa Connected Academy forecast at Taiwan. Okay, joining firms like Tesla, Eli Lilly, and Broadcom. Yeah, so it's kind of doing the same thing that Nvidia is doing, AMD is doing. So if it's doing the same thing Nvidia is doing, it's going to catch some buying pressure right here because Nvidia is being bought back up a little bit. Where'd TSM go? Oh, let's look at Meta. All right, so we got the Qs kind of selling off today. Yeah, what a sell-off for AI stocks. Yes, sir. We got the AI stocks straight up selling off. I mean, that could just be a morning thing, though. That's just starting the day. Because, here, let's go down to a 5. All right, so we got the SPY pushing over here again. Let's see. Look at the, no. Let's kind of compare that to the Qs because that's kind of going to be our AI. Let me get rid of this zone. So yeah, there's kind of divergence between the two today. The Qs are crossed to the downside and the SPYs kind of cross the up. We're getting kind of an increase in volume on the SPY. Might go for some SPY calls. Let's see. Let's see. I'm just noticing an increase in volume. Let's see if we get like a break with volume. Maybe not. Nah, yeah, there's a lot of resistance up here. All right, so yeah, right now I find instead of like trying to look and track every single like Nvidia, TSM, AMD, like all the tech stocks, I'm gonna just look at the Qs for now because that's kind of tracks them all, and then I'm gonna look at the SPY. So what we got? All right, so we got the volume like decreasing a little bit. See if we actually get across to the downside on the Qs. We haven't officially got it yet. SMCI ripping. Where'd it go? Yeah, I just don't trust the way SMCI trades. I mean, it does have some good volume. I just don't trust it. It's like, let's see. There was a good amount of support right here at the 45.50 level. Let's see. Let's try to go to a 15. It's like you can kind of draw something like, I don't know. This. Hey, it's kind of popping. Yeah, it is. It is ripping right here. Let's see. I see this drop right here. I do see we can probably draw one of these on it, and that might be your target for this move. So maybe top out at like 58.68 or 40. Oh, my bad, 48.68 or about $48. All right, yeah, but we got the Dixie running up. Hold on, let me. Once again, that's really making me. I want to zoom out and look at the SPY. See if there is. Yeah, there's so much liquidity up here. I'm really thinking a short is a good move on the SPY, but it's like really, it looks like the timing is going to come down to timing. So I'm going to start looking at puts. Right now, a 5 or a 572 put doesn't look bad. But yeah, we got a lot of liquidity up here. We got the Dixie running up. Oh, hold up. That's not what I'm trying to do. Trying to see if there are other, kind of have like, let me see, maybe like a double top over here too. Yeah, it would be nice to see us come break this level over here. So I want to, yo, what's up with my, oh, there we go. I really want to watch this on a lower time frame. Okay, so I see we kind of have like a little trend like this. See if we can like break that. I might try to, if we get a break of something like this, I might try to grab my short here. But yeah, I'm gonna try to play it short. see. Or maybe I'll go 171 instead. Let's see. Or I'll just, actually, I'll go for a 573. But I'm not getting it yet. Yeah, I'm gonna just grab it. Yeah, I grabbed one like right at 98. I think I'm a little early, but I think I'm inclined to feel that it's going to work out in our favor. So yeah, I grabbed that one, and kind of the bias is we got the Dixie running up. A lot of liquidity to be had here. We're also at like this. If we zoom out and look at the daily chart on where we at? Oh, the daily chart on the SPY. This is not how this looked. See if we can get that fixed. This is not how this looked when I charted. It's like this line just completely moved. All right, let me readjust. Yo, hold up. That looks completely different now. Yo, when I drew this line, I drew it on the daily. And, hold up. Like, I legit drew this morning. We'll kind of watch it. Well, anyways, that was part of my reasoning. Let me come down to a 30-minute. Yeah, I'll have to watch that. Let me. I'm gonna check the analysis on the SPY because that has me tripping a little bit. I still feel like all right about it, but I don't feel as good as I did. All right, so let's see. $5.73. Oh, so it'd actually be ideal for them to hold it up here. So yeah, I'll just watch this for a little bit because right now it's not even looking as good as it did. On another note, though, I do like the way PayPal is looking. Still pushing up, making new highs. That's making the portfolio very happy right there. All right, let's come down to I'm kind of just consolidating right here for now. Let's notice this is kind of coming down like that. Let's see if we can find something better up here. PayPal is pushing. All right, so I'm gonna watch the volume on the SPY. Bring the cues back out. So yeah, let's see how the SPY reacts at this level. Still a lot of resistance up here. Let's see. Yeah, let's see where this candle closes. Yeah, there are a lot of sellers up there. This thing is a battle. Like, we got good amount of volume right here though. But yeah, right now it's looking like it's gonna come down to the wire for this candle. I think we're on a 2-minute right now. C3 AI making a move. C3 AI is a scam in my opinion. Here, let's see if there's actually any reason for that. Joins BD of director. Oh, somebody joined. John E. Heighton joined the board of directors. Hold on, let me look up the 5-minute on the SPY. What's that looking like? Yeah, I've got nothing. Yeah, but it's got a good little 50-cent move. It's that 2.5%. Is anything else kind of matching that today? VIX is down today. Let's see. Oh, Nike, hold up. We can go to a higher time frame on Nike. So yeah, there was a lot of support at this $80 level. Looks like it found a little buying pressure. But yeah, actually, I don't see, other than the SMCI, I don't see anything percentage-wise that moved up more than AI or C3 AI. So I guess you could say that's kind of a top mover. Oh, hold on, let me come back and look more at the SPY, see how this holds up over here. It's not like crazy increased volume or anything, but it's trying to break this level, see if I'm gonna have to close my short or anything. Because the SPY could decide, hey, let's go crazy. Yeah, they're trying to push the volume up on it. Let's see. See where we get this candle close. Then let's also like extend this trend line. All right, doesn't look like it's gonna do it. Yeah, it's coming back down. Or let's see, we got a few seconds, couple seconds. All right, yeah, we're below the trend line now, unless may need to move it over, potentially slide it over because we're still above the EMA. But yeah, we'll see how this ends up doing. All right, so we got a halt on holo. All right, so it seems like we kind of have some meme volume coming in because yeah, we're getting volume to some of the stocks that I see just paying people. All right, so let's see. There's not really any news shown for it. Oh, they got a stock split. 1-20 stock split. Is it a stock split or a reverse stock split? Google getting wrecked. Yeah, I saw something about Google in their something about their monopoly lawsuit. Google's breakup threat. Here's what analysts are saying. Oh, hold on. We're still trying to push up on the SPY. So yeah, we'll have to see what happens with this candle. But yeah, we're still pushing up on the SPY. Google is selling off heavy. That might be why all the AI is popping. Hold on. Let me check the volume on the SPY real quick. Yeah, it's kind of breaking with volume. I'm going to have to take an L on this one. All right, so I'm down, still up on the day. Oh wait, actually, let's see what happens with this. Got a little pullback right here. Let me check the analysis real quick before I cut out. All right, so my sources are telling me we're not going to hold above 574. But also we're going to have a hard time getting above 5 or below 573. I think we could see some volatility, so I think there's still like a good chance that okay. Yeah, they're still trying to give me hope. Yeah, cuz me looking at the analysis, they definitely don't want it above 574. All right. What do you think about AITX for an art? I mean, I don't know anything about the company. I can check the chart. Oh, oh no, this is right now this is something like this is way out of my wheelhouse. This isn't what I do. Hold on. I see we're starting to get moves on the SPY. Just gotta make sure I'm like checking the volume, see if we get a break right here. Gotta be ready to cut out if I need to. All right, so now I'm back to being down like 7% on the trade. We'll see. So, oh no, this is like right now, this isn't anything I would Like this isn't anything I would think about or trade. I just this is something I would leave alone. It's like you could definitely like take your chance and like buy some, but it's like if you're doing that, it's like you're doing that at the risk knowing, hey, this may not go anywhere. Okay, this looks like inducement. Like this looks like a trick right here. The way that this pumping up. The volume is being, what is that, a new candle? Let me see. Yeah, let me zoom out and look at this on like a 15. Yeah, this looks like a trick. They don't want it above 574, but I think they're trying to draw people in to buy more calls so they can bring it down. So because of that reason, I'm going to hold what I have for now. But this would be where I should get out. I want to acknowledge that I am being like kind of greedy, but I have reason for the greed. Uh, do you ever trade crypto? No, not really. I don't really. I'm not like too big a fan of it right now. It'd be like I used to mine crypto whenever I could mine crypto. It's like I would use that to like maybe trade it then, but I don't have that anymore. Can't really mine it the same way I was mining it. It's not as profitable. And also, you can't mine Ethereum anymore. So, because of that, no, I don't do anything with it. It was one thing when it was just the house money that I was doing it with, but nah, right now, it's like I know a lot more about stocks. There's a lot more rhyme and reason and kind of logic to stocks. So, because of that, I just stick to stocks because it's like I actually know, like, you can actually find the valuation of a company, but crypto, it's like the value is whatever anyone is willing to pay for it. And that's like a lot more uncertain for me. And it's like, I'm once I get my money to a certain level, I may throw money into crypto, but I'm not there yet. So I need to have a lot more money I don't care about before I'm personally trading crypto. Oh, Palantir is also kind of gunning for or at highs again. So it came and bounced off my level of support this morning and then just ran. When you say SPY won't go above, I didn't say it won't go above. I said it doesn't want to. So the analysis I'm looking at is actually on Moomoo. Here, let me see if it's updated. Let me refresh. Yeah, I'm still saying it shouldn't want to go above 550 or 574. But here, I'll link the video real quick. Let's see. Just so you can watch it later. What was it? What's that called? Oh. Yeah, give me 1 second. I wanna say it's this video. Let me see. Yeah, that's what I want to say it is. Not 100% sure. Let me Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's that video now. Yeah, we're still riding this trend on the SPY. We've got a pretty good breakout up here to this level. It's 514 level. So that would have been a good 50-cent pop. All right, so we're getting a little break on of this trend line. See what the volume's looking like here. Because we're still riding the EMA, so. Nah, it's looking like it was a teaser. Yeah, that is. Yeah, that's kind of, yeah, that's the basis of it. Okay, so we got Tesla. Looks like it's finally maybe making its move for the event. Yeah, everything's just running up now. Or maybe we do go up. We'll see. Because if everything's just going to run like this, here, let me see where the Dixie is. It's still up. Yeah, Meta's not moving like that. Let's I mean, they got a little pop. But yeah, they're still selling off. Nvidia running. So Nvidia, I mean, I'm glad we took Nvidia profit on Nvidia where we did. Here, let's look at Nvidia on a 10. I mean, this would actually be a good area to, like, if I were trying to continue my trade, this would be a good area to potentially try to get back in. It came back and touched that 13 EMA. This would be a good area for it to go back down and continue the trend. Because it broke the trend line. Right now, this is, Nvidia broke its trend. It still crossed to the downside. Let's see how the VIX is moving right now. Okay, the VIX is selling off. Let's look at the PC. Let's see it on a 5-minute. Well, it's surprisingly spiking up. No, I need people to stop buying puts. Almost like almost wish I would have waited to grab my put. Let's see. But I still think there will be like a move of violence. All right, so we got a new candle coming in about 20 seconds. Let's look at the 10-minute. What is the PCE? So the PCE, it's just a call to put ratio. for like options and stuff. So, or for the S&P. So usually whenever the PC is like whenever this is low, that's usually a good time for them to bring things down. That means there's not that many puts out there. So yeah, usually whenever there's not as many puts, that'll be a good time for them to bring the market down because they will make more money off of that. All right, so we still got here, let me go up. Oh, wait. Let me go up. All right. Let me see if I can find a better trend on a 30. Yeah, we still got time. Let's see how this candle ends up forming. Yeah, we still got a lot of liquidity up here. There's almost like a wall kind of like right here at this 573.80 level. That's why you want to kind of scale through the time frames because it's like they each tell you a different story. So like on the 5 minute, it's like you can see we're kind of trending up, but you can also see that trend doesn't have much strength. Like it's like I can't draw a solid trend line through this because I don't know, it keeps moving over. It's like I could try to call that the trend, but it's like you see all these long wicks in liquidity and you can just see, okay, yeah, we're continuing to move up with the EMA. So I could try to match this up with the EMA, see if we kind of hold that. But so you said this is the SPY is volatile. Yeah, if you're looking on a lower time frame like this, yeah, it's kind of all over the place. Now if we here, let's see it on the 2. On the 2, it looks a little bit stronger. You're seeing more solid candles, but it's like, yo, what are you doing? On the 1, kind of similar story. We're not staying as well, or staying above the 13 as well on the 1. But going on up to the 10 minute, still seeing these wicks up here, but it's like a kind of a solid move up. Then going up to the 15, it's like you can see these candles have a lot kind of on the top of them. There's big wicks. Then on the 30, yeah, we'll still have to see where this candle closes because on the 30, it's like we're not even there yet. And then usually I don't like fully trade on the 1 hour during the day. So it's like I'll kind of stop out at the 30 because I'm not planning on being in trades long enough for the hour to really be as viable of something to look at. Yeah, but it's definitely a good thing. Took profits on Nvidia where we did. So all in all, I'm still up on the day. You said, did you exit your short? No, I didn't. No. So the short I'm in, it's I guess because the VIX is like a little higher right now. The SPY, there is more volatility in the market, so it's like the IV on the options contract is higher, so there's more external factors other than just theta in the contracts. So because of that, contracts are holding up better in value right now. So I'm down like $22 on the contract, but it still hasn't really, like I still haven't, I'm still not fully convinced that we're not going to get our move down. So right now I can stand to be patient, see kind of what goes on. It's like as we continue to kind of make this move up, there will be people that hopefully there are people somewhere buying calls right now. And if they're adding to the calls, once so many people get added to the calls, I'll be like, okay, it's time to move this thing down. Or it's like, okay, let's get a quick move to the downside, and hopefully I'll be there to kind of like snipe and take profits. So yeah, right now we still got like, what is it? 4 minutes on the 30-minute candle. So we'll see where it ends up looking. It's like a lot of times you really just need to find out what time frame things are moving on currently. Because it's like even if, hold up, let's actually look at something. We're also at a level of resistance right here too. Let's see. Yeah, so yeah, even if they want to like throw it up to like 574.30 something real quick and like bring it back down, I'm cool with that. Yeah, go ahead. This could end up being a sweep of liquidity. Let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see. Yeah, this straight up could end up being a sweep of liquidity from this older level back here. I'm really kind of getting in here to see if this could have been equal highs. Yeah, those look equal. So I'm just going to draw a line right here just to see. And then I'm going to try to come back to where we are. All right, so we're right here. All right, so now I want to see kind of how this ends up closing and where this ends up pushing us. All right, Apple running up. Did they fill that gap yet? All right, so the gap's like right here to this 227.25 area. That's oh no, they filled the gap there. They filled the gap. I think that was the level I guess I had for resistance. I don't remember exactly what I had that for. I have like kind of this range on Apple. Kind of see resistance kind of in this range, this little, I guess up to like 227.36. There's resistance. All right. So looking back at the SPY, we got 30 seconds left on this candle. All right, so seeing a lot of selling pressure, or just like kind of right there. Let's see. Let's look on that 30, and on the 15. See where this closes. I'm very interested to see. 3, 2, 1. All right. Let me go back to a 5. See how we're doing in relevance to the EMA. Like, we still got the volume going up. So you think my audio is cutting out? Last time that was happening, let me check it out. Last time that was happening, it was YouTube. Like, we still got the volume going up. So I think. So you think my audio is cutting? Last time it was happening, let me check it out. Last time. Okay, so I kind of hear it a little bit. I think that's YouTube though. Low key, I think this is the most people I've had on the stream before. It's like every time I have a new high of people on the stream, that's when YouTube wants to kind of act up and start messing with my audio, because this is exactly what happened last time. Oh, appreciate that, Philip. Oh no, these people are outside like mowing the lawn. I'm not sure if y'all can hear it, but it is incredibly loud where I am now. Like really loud. Vibe with chills. Appreciate you, family. All right, so market is looking good. Let's see. All right, so they're putting in for calls. Yeah, calls are going in. Let them. Let's keep buying the calls. Everybody hit the like button. Yes, everybody hit the like button. And be sure to smash the like button. Spy May hits 575 like in September. Honestly, it might. So one thing to be aware of is the fact that we have the FOMC minutes today. They're being released later in the day, which is part of the reason I'm like really wanting to hold this, like even though my trade plan kind of says one thing. But yeah, it could definitely end up going up there. But yeah, honestly, the trend is strong. The volume is strong. Let's kind of compare. No, actually, the volume is really low. Like for today, the volume's high, but like when we compare the volume to like if we look at it compared to yesterday, yeah, it's kind of a low volume day. So it's like, honestly, this doesn't mean much to me. Like this pushing upward. So this seems like it's high volume, but it's like low volume. And yeah, it's like if any real volume comes in and wants to push the market in a direction, it can do that. So, oh shoot, 34 likes. Hey, that's wild. 34 likes on stream. Y'all over here gassing me up. All right, let's see. Yeah, we're just trying to push up right now. I want to see Tesla. Look at it on a 4-hour. Yeah, I'm having kind of a hard time thinking, not gonna lie, with these people mowing the lawn. Oh, let's get them to 50 likes. I'm not even. Hey, we have 50 people on the stream, but I don't know. YouTube may have. I think we had like 55 people on the stream I saw at one point. But I think I don't know. It's like they may not have liked the sound. It's like whenever I hear people start talking about the sound, there's like a correlation between like, yo, this sounds bad, and then next thing I know, it's like a random like 10 people drop off. So it is what it is. Oh, now it's like 61 people watching. I don't know what's up with this, but yeah, let's see. Yeah. Be sure to smash the like button if you're just catching here or getting here. It'd be very much appreciated. All right, so I am currently saying that we are. Oh wait, hold up. Are we in the move? Let me see. Nah. All right, but what was I saying? All right, yeah, let's get them to 50 likes, 100 likes, and YouTube shares it out. Is that like a fact? The audio is going in and out. Oh, hold on. Let me turn it up so I can hear it. Oh, I 100% hear you. YouTube, hey, all I can say is YouTube is doing me dirty. It's like anytime I get people on my stream, this is what happens. I'll have to look into it later, but it's like every time I get people on my stream, YouTube starts acting up and cutting up my audio and making it hard to listen to. It's like somebody's watching me and somebody. Okay, you said the audio is good on your end. I think I heard it. It was kind of cutting up on my end too. On the like, I was listening to it on like I'll have my iPad here just so I can kind of monitor things. Hold up, let's see. All right, so on a 5, I'm seeing a lot of resistance at this 574.12 level. All right, so hey, we here. I left alive and came back in. The audio is better. Hey, maybe that's something to do. If your audio is messed up, hey, be like Jessica. Dip out, come back. On your way back, if you haven't, be sure to smash the like button. And then, maybe it'll fix the solution. All right, so you said they're conspiring against you. I mean, that thought has crossed my mind. I try not to like think like that because it's like I feel like even when people are conspiring against me, it's like, yo, you can rise above it. But hey, that very well could be what's going on. I don't know why anybody would, but could be a thing. If a YouTube video gets 100 likes, YouTube will push the video to other new viewers. Interesting. Hey, well, 40 of you watching, hey, be sure to smash the like button to grow the family. But I'm cooling at the moment because we got more likes than people on the stream, so hey, I'm not even tripping. All right, it definitely worked when you came back in. Audio good on my end. Okay, still using 2G. Wow. Okay, and you said you do hear what sounds like a lawnmower. Yeah, that is because they are going off with this lawnmower over here. Okay. Yeah, we got the Dixie running up today. And then we just have this low volume coming in all day. So I don't trust this move. The real question is, am I going to have the time? Oh, shoot, the likes went up even more, 46. Hey, y'all are some soldiers out there. Y'all like pulling these likes out of nowhere. SMCI, what's SMCI up to? So it came, it touched the fib. We'll see if it goes higher up in this fib zone, but that's kind of, let's, all right. We'll see kind of what happens there. All right, so let's see. All right, Tesla pulled back a little bit. The VIX is still chilling at 21. SPY. You said your SPY play will probably run since I stopped out. Honestly, that's something they do is stop loss hunting. Is they try to take it just far enough to stop everyone out of their trades, and like once enough people get closed out of their options, they'll run it the other way. But yeah, there's a huge wall like options wise at 571 or 574. There's a really huge wall at 575. If it comes to 575 right now, it's probably getting batted down really hard. Like that would be a quick move. Very quick move, but even with all this low volume we're getting, the volume is decreasing even more. Also, just taking a look at the RSI, it's not anything that really it doesn't really matter as much on these lower time frames, but hey, we're getting up there to oversold. Just made $5 from it. Oh, you made $5 from SMCI. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, so we had the market running. All right, let's see. We'll probably come retest this EMA over here. We'll leave the trend line like right there for now. Okay, can you chart serve? Thinking I'd like to get back in since it pulled back. Here, let's take a look. Good old serve. All right, let's look at a 4 hour. So dang, it like kind of came back kind of strong since that pullback, but let's see. Here, let's start on the weekly first. Okay, there's nothing there for that really. Kind of have a little. All right, so let's start with this and say, oh, there's some support there. On a daily, it is crossed to the upside. That's kind of good. Oh shoot, 50 likes. Okay. Hey, new all time high. Wow, I've peaked. I have peaked. Well, actually, I would like to think I have not peaked and would like to think I'm not close, but hey, for the streams, hey, this is the top of the top for me right now. All right, let's. Okay, back to charting serve. FOMC minutes. What are your thoughts on being this risk by short when? So I wouldn't say short when that hits. I'm gonna ride this short out just because I'm already in it. I see this wall here, but there is also the possibility that people like what they see so much that it'll blast things up. I don't think that's the case, but as that very well could be. It was like, honestly, the wiser thing for me to do has been to not really mess with the events, but I'm just hoping that we can get like a move beforehand, like a reset kind of move for them. Like here, let me turn on the VWAP real quick on this. I don't like these little extra lines. But yeah, if we get like a VWAP move, yeah. But yeah, if we get a move fast enough, I'll just cut out. Okay, so going back to serve. Yeah, I just see this trend line from the daily on 1 hour. We're still kind of bullish looking at the EMAs. 30-minute. You don't know. Oh, right now. Here, let's see. Kind of see this as potential downtrend on serve. Yeah, that's what I see for now. I would like potentially watch for a break there. Then maybe it's something like that. I don't know. It's not really anything that I love the look of on the charts, but it's on a 4 hour. Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of like I would draw something like that and just kind of wait and see what happened. Like this is a stock that I'm like less familiar with. Unless popular trading. All right, what time is it where you're at? Curious the time difference here. 9:47 p.m. Wait, where is you said 9:47 p.m.? Cuz it was 9:47 a.m. here where I'm at. Skittles, hear you loud and clear. Hey, glad to hear. Oh, here, let me say, okay. Skittles, make sure you're caught up on time. Yeah, make sure that if you're getting ads, make sure they're not putting you too far behind. All right, I'm gonna get rid of the VWAP and get rid of this RSI. Oh, nope, didn't want to do that. There we go. All right, so we're moving back down on AMD. Yeah, let me look at AMD versus kind of NVIDIA. So AMD kind of making lows on again. NVIDIA, all right, looks like it's potentially going on to continue the trend. But they keep trying to run the SPY. Let me go back to this analysis. Okay, Casey, appreciate you. I was meaning to do that myself, but I got distracted. All right, so let's see. Okay, now people are buying a bunch of 574 puts. I'm gonna need them to stop buying those 574 puts, because it's like, honestly, if people keep buying puts, it's not gonna be such a good move for me anymore. Yeah, we're just like riding this low volume trend. I'm hoping we get like a rug pull move. Now I'm just riding on hopium. I'll let y'all know that this trade I'm in should have cut out around here. Now I'm just seeing what happens. And then I also want to remind y'all, I still have the Oxy trade from yesterday. All right, thank you. Wi-Fi problems. Okay, yeah. Shout out to Casey for letting Skittles know what's up. Oh no, yeah, a lot of hotels. It's not all of them, but yeah, I've been in some hotels and have tried to catch some live streams before, and no, yeah, a lot of the Wi-Fi, unless you pay for the good one, it does not hold up well. All right, so we got a good sell-off on NVIDIA from right here. We need the indexes to match up. Let's look at the Dixie. Yeah, the Dixie's still running up, so also not good for trading. Yeah, that's why I like, whenever I'm taking vacation anywhere, anything like that. Honestly, I'm like my most profitable whenever I'm doing vacation type trades. That's usually when I set my trades on the 4 hour, have my alert set, and kind of just take profits whenever I get my alert set. Whenever I'm like distracted or doing something else and just responding to the alerts and whatnot and not just sitting there watching it, that's when I do my best trading. So where we top out? Yeah, so I think we found our trend though. Trend line, but maybe not. Let's look at it on a 10. I would say we found it. Kind of like right there. It doesn't want to like go exactly there though. Like right here, that works on a 5, but on the other trend lines it doesn't. So if we ride this trend line, even like if we ride this trend line to like to the time I normally get off, which would actually be, it's usually around now or in the next 30 minutes. If we ride the trend line for that time, I will, what is it? It'll be up at 5. The Fed speaks, hold on. Or well, the Fed doesn't speak, but FOMC minutes, they're like an hour before market close. All right, so I'll probably close out of my trade no matter what during this stream. Just so it's like I would rather live to trade another day than wait till like the last hour for a potential rug pull, because yeah, towards the end of the day, those contracts are going to be worth nothing, and then it's like, oh, you have like 30 minutes until Robinhood sells you out. So all right, what's up with the SPY twin? Not sure if, okay, so what was I gonna say? So the SPY this is low volume. They're just pushing it up. This is a low volume trading day right now, or at least until we get news from the Fed. Like, we're just pushing up on low volume. They're running it up. So we could potentially get any kind of news, and then we could just drop like a rock. So they're just pushing the SPY up on low volume. Also, who was it? So Skittles, where is VN? Is that here? I'll look it up. Let me see. What is VN? Oh, Vietnam. Okay. Vietnam. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we are just pushing up. Let me get in the call. Let me see if this is spam. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, that sounds like spam. So let's see. Oh, hold up. So VIX coming down a little bit. You got the SPY running up. Q's coming up. Canadian born, American raised, living in Vietnam. How long did you live in where did you live in America actually? So Rich, I'm in a put. Okay, so they pretty much pushed it up to 575. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully this is pretty much this is inducement right here. I'm actually happy that they're doing that this early. You know what? I would rather them just go ahead and fully push it there, because we're pretty much at all-time highs. That'll bring in a bunch of calls, and with the calls, that can shift things for us. Let's make it happen. Let's check the volume as well. Yeah, this volume is so low. $572 if not lower. Oh yeah, that would be great. I will let you know though, there is a kind of a big wall on the options at 573. But that's the put I have. Okay, so SPY is at all-time highs now. We're doing this at low volume though. Like the volume is very, very low. This is something that you do not come to trust. All right, so there's how long you been? Oh, okay. Washington, California, Arizona, Louisiana, and Florida. All right. So I think I've been to California. I may have been through Arizona. I've been to Louisiana and Florida. Interesting. Why do you move around so much? Are you like military or something? Or what were you like, was your family military, or I'm just curious now. Are we still live or no, we're live. We're live, Rich. Yeah, we're live. Only thing that's bugging right now is the market. So we're right here at all-time highs. Let's see what we're looking like on the 4 hour. So we still have an hour on the 4 hour. Kind of broke that. Oh, yeah, kind of broke that. Let's look at the daily. I'm trying to see if there's anything just that was missed. All right, so honestly, now that I'm looking at it, so when I took my entry, I did kind of have what was I going to say? I apparently, like, I don't know what happened, but I charted something on TradingView and the line was being shown in a different part, and that was kind of part of my confidence for the trade. But on the daily, we did kind of like break this trend line. But also, it's already hit the target you would expect it to hit. So it may not happen today, but there may be a move down to this trend line. But right now, we're above this trend line. So we're still kind of, like with what I had, we're still kind of bullish. So we got the VIX. Hold up. Still running up on the Dixie as well. Yeah, we just need some good volume or something. Four hours. Commercial diver, deep sea and scuba. Oh, that's pretty cool. Up 35% on an SMCI call. Let's check in on SMCI. Why do I always have a hard time finding it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so it said forget that fib. It said it's going for the The trend line. Low key, SMCI, like I never really been able to, like all the trend lines I draw for it, never really been respected. So that's part of the reason I'm like the trend lines, the supply and demand, it's like it doesn't respect them. So I've always had a hard time with it. Now I guess they have to retest 570 once it starts pulling back. So here, let's see. On the SPY, I mean, if we can get some, hold up. Okay, hold up. We actually, this last candle right here, we actually did get volume. Well, that's for the day. If we can get like some real volume on the SPY, let me check. I feel like there was something we were supposed to get at 10. Maybe that's what we just, no. So, oh, we got crude oil inventories at 9:30. We get a 10-year bond auction. Yeah, there's not really much that I can really say right now. All right, so right now it's looking like the chat is right with the 52% green. Oh, you said, oh yeah, we are live. I'm just way back. Oh, that's what you mean. That's what you mean. It wasn't as obvious with you as it was with Skittles. All right, so yeah, so it's 10:07 right now. I think I'm going to commit to. Actually, I don't want to say what time I'm going to commit to, but I'm committing to a certain time because they kind of like to move things at a certain time, and if we haven't gotten to move by then, I'm just taking the L and calling it a day. Let's see. Dang, we kind of got a wall going though. We're starting to build up a wall of puts, which is making it easier for them to keep uh, pushing the price up. Serve. Yeah, it could be going for that little breakout. I'm not sure how valid the range I drew was, but could be going for a breakout. Let's look at it on a 5. Or on a 5, it looks like it's starting to go for it. Watch that for a little bit. When you say in the oh, so I still currently have a put on the SPY. It's not one I would advise being in, but yeah, I'm still holding a put on the SPY. You said, what was your best day? Have you seen a 1K day yet? Uh, if we're talking about from, like, if you're talking about have I ever seen a 1 day or 1K day? Yeah, I've seen plenty of those. But if you're talking about, like, since I've done this $100 challenge thing, no, I have not. Like, not even close. I feel like the largest day I've probably had is maybe like 120, 140, something like that. If you're talking about I think I'm probably down like I don't even know. Let me see. On the put, I'm down 56%, $55. But yeah, like if you're like talking about my best day ever, it was probably around like 40K, but that was in like 2022. Niveldi, hello, hello. I'm not sure if I said your name right, but hello. You said Jesus, you're cooked. Dang. Oh, you're talking about on the put? It's possible I am, but it's also possible I'm not. We'll have to see. We will have to see. Yeah, this trend is running kind of strong, very steep trend. Had I got out at my stop loss, I would have been down like 10. But yeah, now I'm just in this. This is not best practice. We had one good trade today with Nvidia, and then now now it's bad practices. XLE. Uh, I don't know what your time frame is, but yeah, it'll probably touch 9150 again. Will it do it today? I don't know. Just the way it moves is kind of it's not like a big mover. But yeah, it'll probably touch that level again. Possibly have like a trend right here. We'll see. But it's like it moves. The way it moves like a little too slow. But you have across the upside, but you want to see some volume in the stock. There's not like much volume trading it right now, so there's not much it'll really go there today. Man, remember when U1 ran up and I I was not around for that. I was alive, but yeah, I don't know anything about that honestly, cuz I was probably like 3, 4 at that point in time. Dang, did I get stopped? Did the stream just stop? Hold up. Uh, that is so weird. All right, so the stream is still here. Like the stream is back, but I want to let y'all know so it said like got like a notification from YouTube. It said the stream oh, it says the stream will end shortly unless I restart it in my streaming data. So I might need to stop and restart it. So yeah, I might have to break the stream up right here. I'm gonna stop it, and I would really prefer to just do one continuous stream, but yeah, I might have to stop and start. But I was gonna get off in like 15 minutes. Is that even worth it? But it says YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. So yeah, I might have to. Here, we'll go for. Here, I'm gonna stop it, and I'll start it for 15 minutes.